In this video, we are going to look into the match command applied to the copy reference. So the copy reference is simply the ability to copy an element or a group of elements from one element to other elements. This means that it will automatically orient according to the new element orientation, no matter where it is in your model, and keep, of course, the interaction between the two. So here in this model, we have an element and others with different attributes. And this is where the match command comes in handy. The match command simply allows you to match or transfer attribute from one element to the other. And in this case, where we wish to copy this element from an element here that has several attributes already set. For example, this post belongs to story 1. It's part of the assembly 1 and in phase 1. All the other elements here have different attributes that we have here used to display with the attribute display. For these elements, so we show here the assembly number, the phase, followed by the story. As we can see here, each of them have different assembly reference. We have 2 phases and 2 story in different combination. So here, if we were just to copy this on each post, even if we were to use the copy reference, we will still have a fair amount of attribute adjustment to do afterwards. So here with this match command that we can activate when in the copy reference, so copy and reference, the shortcut for this is 6H. We will now here have to select the reference element, confirm with the right click, and here before selecting the other element, we can see here at the bottom that we have certain options available, and among them is the Alt V. To activate it, simply use the shortcut, and when you see the match return orange, it means that this option is activated. If you wish to deactivate it, simply do the shortcut once again. Once you activate it, it will be activated for the next time you use this copy reference command. So here we simply need to activate the other ones. Right-click to confirm, and here the match by copy reference will open. You can now here select the attribute you wish to map. So here I wish to also add to this the story, assembly, and phase. You see here that you have access to most of the attributes and all user attributes. You can here also create sets here that will also be available in the basic match function. So when you are in the 3D and use the Alt V to transfer attribute from one element to the other. And here, simply by adding a set, you would basically save whatever have been set here on the right hand side for you to access those easily in all of your projects. Press 1 to confirm. Check axis configuration. This is simply because I have some among my copied element. I will here simply say no. And here we see all the copy done, and you see that the attributes of the copied element always match the element it has been copied on. This way, if you are using attributes for, let's say, organize your scenes and things like this, you won't have any issues or any work to do afterwards. As we can see here, if I were to filter by story using the beam manager, we will of course have only the one we wish. So I hope this will help, and thank you for watching.